WGAN Forum Podcast number 240. Tuesday, November 7th, 2023.
This WGAN Forum podcast is sponsored by the We Get Around Network Forum, your source for Matterport and related 3D and 360 platforms, cameras, and third-party add-ons. Visit WGANforum.com.
Matterport introduces CAD File Add-on, a one-click CAD creation tool to simplify design workflows. Coming soon, the new add-on feature will produce editable CAD drawings direct from Matterport digital twins, reducing design and documentation time. SUNNYVALE, California, Tuesday, November 7, 2023, Globe NEWSWIRE, Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, announced in advance of Autodesk University, a new CAD file add-on that will enable the simple creation of CAD files directly from Matterport digital twins to speed up design workflows using Matterport. Nearly 70% of rework in the construction industry is caused by design changes, errors, or omissions, making documentation a critical part of any new project to verify construction is being performed to standards and according to design. Most design processes begin with computer-aided design, CAD, drawings. However, accurate drawings are often time-consuming and difficult to produce, requiring professionals specially trained in surveying and modeling to execute. Historically, Matterport has only delivered CAD files as part of its BIM file add-on. However, for projects that don't require the level of detail of BIM, this added unnecessary time and cost to a project. With the new CAD file add-on, Matterport customers can reduce design and documentation time through a one-click solution producing editable CAD drawings from Matterport point clouds. The CAD file add-on package will include 1.dwg CAD format of floor plans and reflected ceiling plans, AutoCAD 2020 version. 2.dxf exported from .dwg. 3. PDF of all floor plans and reflected ceiling plans. 4. .rcs point cloud file. 5. .ctb file of plot styles for CAD. Great design and successful projects start with a solid foundation, yet the industry continues to rely on time-consuming tools and processes to get the job done, said Stephanie Lin, Senior Director, Business Strategy, Matterport. With our CAD file add-on, we're making CAD creation faster and more accessible so that anyone can kickstart the design process to streamline projects. The CAD file add-on builds on Matterport's existing add-ons and integrations for design and construction professionals, such as Matterport BIM files, includes both BIM and CAD. The MatterPack bundle includes colorized point cloud, reflected ceiling plan images, high-resolution floor plan images, 3D mesh file and texture map images, and integrations with the world's leading construction project management software tools like Procore Technologies and Autodesk Construction Cloud. The new CAD file add-on will be available to all regions globally in early 2024. To learn more about Matterport's solutions for design and construction professionals, visit www.matterport.com. About Matterport. Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq. MTTR is leading the digital transformation of the built world. Our groundbreaking spatial data platform turns buildings into data to make nearly every space more valuable and accessible. Millions of buildings in more than 177 countries have been transformed into immersive Matterport digital twins to improve every part of the building lifecycle from planning, construction, and operations to documentation, appraisal, and marketing. Learn more at Matterport.com and browse a gallery of digital twins. Copyright 2023 Matterport, Incorporated. All rights reserved. Matterport is a registered trademark and the Matterport logo is a trademark of Matterport, Incorporated. All other marks are the property of their respective owners. Source: Matterport via Globe NEWSWIRE.